Hello guys, it's me, Akoy Gringa. Today's video, we will talk about the process of having a Certificate of Proficiency in Portuguese for Foreigners or Certificado de Proficiência em Língua Portuguesa para Estrangeiros. So stay with me! So what is CELPE-Bras? CELPE-Bras is the only certificate of proficiency in Brazilian Portuguese as a second language officially recognized and developed by the Brazilian Ministry of Education. The certificate can provide proof of their level of proficiency, such as students planning to study at a higher education institution in Brazil, and professionals who wish to have an academic certificate from their own country validated in Brazil, and also one of the documents that immigrants may use to attest their Portuguese language ability when applying for naturalization in Brazil. So, you can obtain a certificate if you attained one of the 4 levels of proficiency: the intermediate, upper intermediate, advanced, or highly advanced. As you can see, you need to obtain at least a score of 2.00 to obtain a minimum certificate. For more information and for you to register, you can visit their site celpebras.inep.gov.br/celpebras/ or you can visit as well on www.gov.br/inep/pt-br. Scroll down in Serviços em Destaque, then click at the small box of Para Estrangeiros, fazer o exame para o Certificado de Proficiência em Língua Portuguesa para Estrangeiros. In this page, you will see the step-by-step process and the amount of the registration fee, wherein up to 230 Brazilian real, and in overseas or outside of Brazil is up to the equivalent of $115 in local currency. After more or less 15 to 22 days, you need to assess the CELPE-Bras system to confirm your registration status, and a few days before the test, you need to assess your enrollment confirmation card because it has the important information for you to take the test, such as registration number, date and time of the test, location of the test, indication of the services if applicable. So let's go back to the first link where you will fill up the online registration form. Well, for now, it's not available because the registration period are usually in February to March and August to September. However, just always verify on the site of CELPE-Bras. If you are in Campinas and you prefer to take the exam at UNICAMP, this is their website for CELPE-Bras. The exam is held twice a year, usually on April and October. For more information, just click the Dúvidas Frequentes or Frequently Asked Questions. And in this page, you will find all the informations and guidelines such as before, during, and after the CELPE-Bras exam. By the way, if you are interested to know some of my self-study tips on how can you prepare for the exam, please stay tuned on my vlog, Akoy Gringa. On the day of the exam, you are required to present your passport or an original photo ID that is valid in Brazil. So let's talk about the format of the exam. It consists of 2 parts, written exam and oral exam. On the first day, it will be a written exam. The total is 3 hours. Task 1 and 2 are watching video and listening to audio, and then written production, while task 3 and 4 integrates reading and writing. The different parts of the writing components take place consecutively in one sitting with no breaks.
será o cardápio da população mundial daqui a 30 anos? E como a gente vai conseguir alimentar tanta gente? As respostas estão numa exposição no lindo Museu do Amanhã, aqui no Rio de Janeiro.
Quanto mais gente no mundo, maior o tamanho da fome. E também a necessidade de terra para plantar e de água para irrigar. Se a alimentação for carnívora, os impactos sobre o meio ambiente são ainda maiores. A população do planeta continua crescendo, já somos mais de 7 bilhões e meio de pessoas e as projeções da ONU são de que em 2000...
Bom dia, boa tarde, boa noite. Meu nome é Luciano Pires e este é o seu cafezinho. Período de eleições, as fake news, notícias falsas, se transformaram em epidemia. Para reconhecê-las, você tem de verificar se essas notícias estão fundamentadas, escandalizadas.
While the oral exam will be on the next day for a total of 20 minutes, the oral components takes the form of a face-to-face conversation with an evaluator, which is audio recorded. Part 1, for 5 minutes, the evaluator or examiner asks the candidate questions about a range of familiar topics, such as their home, family, work, studies, interests. Part 2, for 15 minutes, candidates are given a short test or consists of 3 moments of conversation about the test of different genres, which mix verbal and non-verbal language, such as photos, cartoons, and etc. They have 1 minute to read it before engaging in a conversation about it with the examiner. On this website, you can check if you passed on the CELPE-Bras exam and to obtain or download your certificate of proficiency. So this is an example of certificate that you can obtain. And that's it, guys. See you on my next video. Ciao!